2022 Jeep Gladiator Altitude, 51,000 miles. Hi everyone, my name's Carter. I own Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. I am back with another uncut, unedited, unfiltered, off-the-cuff, what you see is what you get vehicle video. Say that 5 times fast. Nice Jeep here. It's an Altitude, cloth, hardtop, tow pack, 3.6, 4x4, automatic, 51,000 miles, balance of factory warranty, independently inspected. Sorry, it's been a long week. Just going off the cuff here, sometimes we get a little stalled. It does come with the balance of factory warranty. You can upgrade that warranty very reasonably in our finance office. Speaking of finance, get pre-approved at AutoramaAuto.com. That's AutoramaAuto.com. And you don't have to spend all day at the dealership. I mean, we're nice guys and all, but we're not going to keep you all day. When you're pre-approved, you come in, you test drive it, you like it, you love it, you want to leave with it, 20 minutes, you're down the door. We don't keep you here all day. Why do dealers keep you all day? Oh, most of them bring out the Foursquare, where they show you this price, this payment, this trade, blah, 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 and they negotiate payments with you. We don't do that. We shoot you right from the bank's rate. I don't pay my salespeople on profit. They get paid to sell you a vehicle, not to make a profit on you. So that speeds the process up. There's the bottom line is the bottom line. It's fast, it's easy, it's quick. Yeah, we're not like the big box stores that way. Again, very nice. It's got the gray cloth interior, automatic, touchscreen, remote start, all the phone hookups a person would need. Beautiful vehicle. Tires are deep. It's got the liner, the rear slider, the tow pack. Now let's talk about price. I know you're going to find them priced for less. Why? Because I have honest pricing. I have the price you see is the price you paid. Drive it away. So many dealers are advertising super low prices on their vehicles. And then when you get there, surprise, out comes the hidden fees. Not us. Again, the price you see is the price you pay. Drive away. We don't have all the garbage. We do have a $145 dock fee. We're going to waive that if you say you saw it in the video. But how you can tell if a dealer has hidden fees, and I'm really big on this hidden fee thing because it's just ruining the business. It's so dishonest. It's absolute garbage. But one way you can tell if a dealership has hidden fees is if they'll give you a grand total over the telephone or email it to you, fax it to you if you still have a fax machine. Because so many places say we can't give you an out-the-door total, we can't give you a grand total unless you come in. That's not the case. With us, if we advertise something for 20 grand, you can write a check for 20 grand and drive it away. Simple. A lot of places, they advertise something for $30,000, and before taxes, before licensing, before any of the state fees, by the time you pay their dealer's fee, their service fees, their superiority fees, whatever you want to call it, you're $33,000, $34,000. But they don't want to show you that in the grand total before you come in. We don't do that. Price you see is the price you pay. Drive it away. That doesn't include government fees. Well, of course, because those go to the government. But those vary from place to place, state to state, county to county. We can't control that. So let's recap. 2022 Jeep Gladiator Altitude. Got the black rims, the 3.6, the 4x4, the automatic, 3-piece hardtop, removable hardtop, tow pack, 51,000 miles, clear Carfax, one owner, factory warranty, extendable warranty, no hidden fees, price you see is the price you pay, drive away, fast paperwork. I call that the Autorama advantage. Come and join us, folks.